Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on SoFi Crypto. First, open the SoFi app or go to the official website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you reach your dashboard, look for the Invest tab. Tap or click on it, then select Crypto. This will take you to the Crypto section where you can see available digital assets and market information. On the Crypto screen, look for the Buy button and tap on it. Next, locate the search icon at the top and type Bitcoin or BTC. Select Bitcoin from the results, then press the Buy button. You will now need to choose your funding source, such as your SoFi Money account or a linked bank account. After selecting it, enter the amount of money in dollars that you want to invest in Bitcoin. After entering the amount, continue to the review screen. Here you will see the estimated Bitcoin you will receive along with any applicable fees. Carefully check all details to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm your order by tapping Buy. Your transaction will be processed and Bitcoin will appear in your SoFi Crypto wallet shortly. You can also monitor your investment anytime from the app dashboard. Thanks for watching.